Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know you done heard it. Now you want to get all amped up. Well, Levi is out and about somewhere on the e-bike. So we're going to take the four-wheeler and we're going to go find him. And I might go ahead and put some corn out over there at the feeder before I go out of town. That way they're all fed. The deer, that is. Let's see if we can find Levi. I have a feeling I know where he's at. I found him.
I found him.
I knew where you would be.
I'm here.
Beautiful morning.
Gorgeous morning.
Decided to go for a little bike ride.
Yep. Something small.
Yep.
I went for a little walk down in the back. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm about to do a little something like that too.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna ride back up that way and I'll meet you back here in a second.
Alright. Boy, that sure is a nice e-bike right there.
Good looking fella on top of it.
I don't know about all that, but the bike looks good. Where's it going, Domino? Where's it going? Look how beautiful it is out here, guys, this morning. Fall is here. We have definitely got... The sun's messing up the colors. The sun is messing up the colors. Let's go get some mountain views. Let's go, Domino. Get your morning run in. Getting worse. I'm gonna have to bring lift down here and put some work in. Look at that big beautiful tree right there, guys. So gorgeous. That right there is one of my favorite trees on my property. So this whole line right here is the new property all the way to the base of that mountain back there. gonna go back into the hunting woods. It's where my nicest trees are. We got somebody behind us. Look how beautiful it is back here. We made it. We made it. It's absolutely gorgeous back here in the hunting woods. Don't you agree?
I agree. It's a little easier to get back here on a four-wheeler than the little bike.
That old mock wheel, though, it does its thing.
Oh, way better than anything else I would think of taking back here other than that. My ankles are just less protected.
Domino's over there pooping.
Oh yeah, he's just fertilizing the ground for you.
Yeah.
Ready to plant some beans out here.
Yeah.
Some corn.
Some corn. Yep, gotta put some corn in this thing. Here you go. You can take over that. All right. We were saying on the live the other night that got a lot of really good stuff on these cameras out here, and got a couple of big bucks fighting each other.
Yeah.
And stuff. So I'm gonna do a video on Come On Homesteading in the near future, probably after I get back from the fishing trip, of what's going on out here. I'm also gonna be hunting a lot more after the fishing trip. Had a lot going on getting ready for the fishing trip, and Levi coming and all of that, and some of the big news that's coming here soon too. It's took quite a bit of my time, so I'm gonna try to get out here and go ahead and get my year's quota that I want. I really want 2, but I can definitely be fine with 1. So I'm not trying to get too much going on this year. But these.
A little extra feed for him. Sounds like a rain tube.
Yeah. And we'll put a little bit on the ground, and then I got another space out here that I got a game camera that I've been trying to establish. That I'll put some out in front of.
Is that other spot over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because some of the big bucks were over there as well too.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Come on.
And I also need to change this camera out.
Is this one with the dead batteries?
Yeah, this is the main camera. And for some reason, every time I come to check it, the batteries are dead. And I'm not using cheap batteries. I'm actually using cell. So something's going on with this camera.
Yeah.
And this is the main camera facing the feeder.
Yeah.
So I'm going to swap it out with the one back here that never really gets any action.
Think, Domino? You gonna get them? I think so too. He said he thinks so.
Now that it's fall, my netting back here matches perfectly.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I don't really know what's going on with this battery situation.
It's frustrating.
But it's getting expensive.
Yeah. I don't think anything's gotten cheaper in the last few years.
Yeah, that's definitely true. Definitely true. Are you happy to see me, or is that a battery in your pocket?
God bless the man with a battery in his pocket. Beautiful out here.
I love it. So peaceful.
That's what I was just talking about, which might as well say it to you guys too. Go check it out. Life with Levi video is going to come out today in the same space. I was just talking about it being beautiful and the benefits of hard work. So he knows both of those. Come on.
I don't work, son. It's just magic.
Well, you'll see my take on that in my video. I had something to say to them haters.
Domino,
Climbing around in there.
having fun, buddy? Yep. Yes.
More than just a cameraman.
Yep, more than just a camera.
What's your guys' favorite thing about fall? Let me know down in the comments.
Let them know.
I'm curious.
Talk to him about it.
For those of you who heard it already, for those of you who haven't, this is my first time ever seeing the trees change color like this. So to me, I'd say it's my favorite, because other than that, I live in Florida. I love the weather, so I like whenever it cools down, because it's quite hot in Florida all the time and super humid. So it's like finally I get that break from humidity as soon as fall comes. But aside from the beautiful weather, these are awesome, because I don't have any of this in Florida. Like, look at that. So many different shades. I love it. I think Domino likes running around. Come again?
I said, we're not talking about 50 shades of gray either.
Nope. 50 shades of brown, green, and orange. There's a lot of briars out here. I cut my feet up.
You'll have that.
I had to put my Crocs in sport mode. We're doing this one a little bit earlier than yesterday's.
Yeah.
Did that get posted last night?
Yeah.
It did? Okay.
Yeah, we put a video out last night at 10 o'clock, boy. It was
Yeah.
a day.
A day.
A day. And a lot of the stuff I was telling y'all about yesterday, I woke up to emails. Stuff still missing.
That sucks.
Right before I started this, I actually went and got all this stuff again and found the stuff that was missing from what I requested yesterday and got it submitted again. working.
Locked and loaded.
She's facing where she needs to face. I'm going to tie all this up so there's no danglies to scare the deer.
Can't have that.
They are skittish.
They like sniffing the camera, though. We got a couple good pics of that.
Yeah, yeah, we got some close-ups. He was doing some selfies one night.
Yeah.
It's pretty funny. Well, guys, I think that's going to be about it for this one. We're going to go to the next stop and go ahead and finish this. I wanted to get this done before our fishing trip.
Yep.
That way they're good to go and comfortable by the time I get back from the fishing trip so I can do a little hunting. So, yeah, excited about it. Probably won't be able to hunt until about Tuesday. Levi's leaving on Monday.
Yep.
And we're not getting back to the fishing trip until Sunday evening. And I'm sure I'm going to be wore out by then. So, probably won't be hunting Sunday evening. But after that, I'm going to try to get some meat in the freezer for sure. But I love every single one of y'all. Hopefully y'all have had a nice day. Hopefully y'all are taking a step closer to your goals and being nice to people. And until we see each other again, come on, keep it real.
Come on. Come on, Domino.